watching this video, you're going to be shocked. Why? Because you're going to be surprised how much has been left on the table for you all this while, but you just don't know about it. But no need to panic, I got you covered. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 AI tools you can use to make money in whatever country you're from, Nigeria, US, whatever country you're from. You're going to be making really good money. So let's get straight into that and not waste your time, because basically everybody's always running somewhere to the video. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 AI tools you can use to make money right here, right now, anytime, anywhere, any place. So number 1 on our list, we have Caption. I think everybody watching this video know what Caption is, but if you don't know what Captioning means, basically means adding subtitles onto videos. So if you go on to YouTube, you would see that lots of creators are looking for people to add captions to their videos, and you can get to do this with AI. No stress, no problem. So what you just basically do is you go on to CapCut. So basically all the tools we are going to be discussing today are going to be from CapCut. So you go on to CapCut for business, and there is a tool called Captioning. So what you just do is you drag and drop your video that you want to add caption to, and AI does the rest. No stress. So after AI has rendered the video, all you can just do is, if you want to change the font, you can change the font. If you want to change the colors of the text, you can do that. You can do a lot of editing you want on how you want the caption to be. And that's it, guys. No stress. You can basically do this within 2-3 minutes. And the fun fact is that you can go on to Fiverr and render the services around $60 to $50. Mind blowing. Because imagine making $60 to $50 in a country like Nigeria, which is a third world country, by the way. It's a lot, That's a lot for my people. So I'm making this video for you guys. If you're watching this, this is a great opportunity for you to make good money, to support yourself and to help your. Just do basically anything. All right, number 2 on this list, we have AI clothing model. So what this means is that you don't need people to model your clothes for you again. This is actually important for people that deal with clothing businesses. So you don't need people to model your clothes for you. AI got you covered. So secondly, again, on CapCut for business, you can choose AI models that you want to model your clothes for you. All you just have to do is go onto CapCut and you see a tool called AI Clothes Model. So all you just do is you click on the tool, you drag and drop the pictures of the clothes you want to model, and you select any type of model you want. There are varieties of model you can pick from. You just pick anyone you want to, and you get to model your clothes for free with AI. No stress, nobody is required. I get to do that. So number 3 on this list, we have image upscaling and photo colorization. So this is actually good because a lot of those old photos that you think are useless and can't be brought to life back, they can actually now be brought to life back because AI has come to save all of us. So if you go onto CapCut, you would find a tool called Photo Enhancer. That what that basically do is you get to bring back most of those old photos that have lost its quality. So it can give it back its quality, and even those ones that are white and black, most of those old pictures that are taken in white and black, you can give them colors. So that's just it. And if you go onto Fiverr, you can render the service for around $10 to $15. Pretty easy money, no stress. Nothing at all. So number 4 on the list, we have content repurposing, or long-form videos into shorts. So since the inception of TikTok, there've been a lot of short-form content, and a lot of people have been doing short-form content. So if you go onto YouTube now, there's a section for shorts, which is something they just kind of brought out now because of TikTok. A lot of people have been diving to TikTok, and YouTube seems to be losing viewers. YouTubers are actually looking for people that can convert their long form content into shorts for them, and you can get to do this with AI without no stress. So how you can get to do this is you go into CapCut for business. There is an AI tool that helps you convert your long form videos into shorts in a matter of 2-3 seconds. It will do it for you, and you can resize it in any form you want And there's even a button there that is specifically for TikTok, so it will help you like arrange the videos so your text and other kind of buttons don't obstruct it. And you get to do this all for free on CapCut, and you can make money from this on Fiverr also. So if you go onto Fiverr, you can render this service and make good money from that. So that is that. And the final one on our list, we have product ad. So I basically love this product ad a lot because the amount of money you can make from this is seamless. It's just keep going higher and higher, and you can work for as much as you want. Like a lot of companies you choose to work for, you can work for them. So what this does is that it helps you generate ads, video ads for components. And all you just have to do is copy the product URL and you paste it on CapCut for business, and you just paste it on it, and it will generate seamless videos, quality videos for you that you can use to advertise the products that you just posted. It's not just to render the service, but you can also do this for your own business too. Your private businesses that you don't have videos for, you don't have ads for, you can easily use this to generate video ads for them, and you don't even need to pay any videographer, or you don't need to pay any video editor to edit the videos for you. AI got you covered, and it's going to do all of them for you in the matter of minutes. So with that being shared, if you enjoy stuff like this, I would pretty much appreciate it. You click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on an update like this next time. So see you again.